Hello everyone, my name is Thanapat Chumkeo. Today I would like to talk about my dream job. My dream job is to become a web developer. I want to be a web developer because I love technology. I enjoy creating websites and designing pages. I feel happy when people use what I create. I need to learn uh, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I alone want to study database and web framework. English is also important for learning new in technology. I will use Visual Studio Code to write my program. I will also use GitHub to store my project. I like to use Canva and Figma to design websites. In the future, I want to work for a big IT company. I also dream of starting my own web or business. Okay. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Goodbye.